Bekah, and welcome to a calming afternoon of gardening and cooking here at our little farmhouse on the northern plains of Iowa. It's really nice to see you here again and hoping all is well. Right now I'm getting ready to plant these small sugar pumpkins. I'm very late this year, but hopefully they'll be ready by Thanksgiving so I can make some homemade pumpkin pies. I'm really looking forward to autumn right now. Let me know if you are too, but it is nice to savor these final days of summer as well. And for dinner tonight, I'm making fresh pesto from all of our basil that's grown in our garden. And so as always, I'm really glad you've stopped by for a visit here at my home, the Carriage House.
Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today is a good day to live. This morning has so clear a light as any to see the horizon and the far. Excuses were 2 for a penny, but they've all gone out the window of this car. And when I feel the wind on my face, all that ever was is a wreck. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow. Today, well, something's gotta give. Today is a good day. Today and not tomorrow, there's no time to borrow.
Now I'm in my kitchen and going to wash my basil. I love making pesto this time of year, and basil is so good for you. It can help ward off the common cold. It can help reduce high blood sugar. It nourishes your skin and can even relieve stress. But I will leave this recipe down below. It has toasted walnuts, fresh garlic, and grated Parmesan, along with a light extra virgin olive oil and black truffle salt. And I'm gonna make 2 batches. One's for dinner tonight, and then I plan to freeze the other batch, but I wasn't able to film that particular one because my son had a baseball game. But I do use the exact same recipe for freezing. I just don't add the Parmesan at the end. I add that after I thaw the pesto out. And I put them in ice cube trays. So I'll try to do some freezing recipes maybe early fall or so. So let's go ahead and make the pesto.
It's a good day to live.
Okay, so while the basil dries for a few minutes, I'm gonna light a few candles, and I do want to thank Dia for sponsoring today's video. They sent me these adorable and elegant candle lighters that come in all kinds of colors. I'll show you here in a minute, but it doesn't have liquid fuel. It sparks from electricity forming a little arc on the candle wick, which I love. And it's childproof, which is very nice. And you guys know that I love using matches to light candles, but there's always, behind my back of my mind, there's always that small risk of a fire forming after I throw it throw out the blown out match in the trash. So I think I'm gonna stick with these now, especially with autumn and Christmas and the holidays coming up. They'll be good to have around the house. They're also windproof, they're affordable, and they do come with a USB charger. And I still haven't even had to charge mine at all. It comes charged already, and I've been using mine for a couple of months now even. But the green and gold would be beautiful for Christmas time, thinking a little ahead. But I will leave their link down below, as well as your special discount code for 20% off. So let's go ahead and get back to making that creamy and decadent pesto.